all good just a week ago. Now you tryna act like I'm creeping though. Told you I had, but you must ain't believe me though. Questions like why I don't answer my phone. Shorty, you tripping, I'm busy, you always wanna fuck on my zone. Texting me paragraphs and textbooks, girl, just leave me alone. You ain't my mom or my P.O. Ain't gotta answer you, I'm grown. Shit been getting real now. I'm just trying to tell you how I feel now. I'ma be the same, shorty, I probably won't change for a while, but I just wanna know, is you still down? Girl, I told you what it was, I let you know. I kept it all way real cause I've been here before. I gave you every chance for you to let it go. I'm too busy living life in yeah. But I know I treat you so good, and I know I eat you so good, and I know it's hard to find a like me cause I keep it so hood. And I ain't into breaking hearts, I swear I would take it all back if I could. Let's get this understood, right now we're misunderstood.
It's so bright I can have my sunglasses on in the shop. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back or to the channel, and welcome back to Overtime Diesel. You guys already know what it is, where we're at. This place is absolutely awesome. Thanks again to Ovi for always letting us come down here and film stuff. Try not to trip over anything here, but for you guys that are new to the channel, probably wondering what the heck is Unfluencer all about. That is about not being your typical influencer that's just gonna try to sell you a bunch of random crap that doesn't even work or make sense. We are all about being legit, being open and honest, and just sharing the dream, the experience of diesel trucks and everything else fun that we enjoy. So my wife did start the Unfluencer brand. Me and her kind of did that together on her channel, and now I'm taking it on here. So we've done a bunch of videos, we've done product reviews, we've shown some personal projects at Ovi's, and I do have some things in the works of my own too, so make sure you guys stick around for that. But today we are gonna be following back up on one of Ovi's projects, and that is the crazy stretched RZR side-by-side that we showed you before. So if you did not get a chance to see part one, make sure you go back and watch that sucker because it was a lot of fun. Very, very cool. It did well. And now we're going to do a follow-up a little bit later, see if he's done any sort of mods to it and what's going to come next. So without further ado, let's get Ovi and let's go check this booger out, guys. Now hold on just a minute, guys. I am not a Ford guy by any means, but look at this thing is absolutely epic. The JTXs now. Are JTXs better than American Forces now? I feel like they are, and look at the street tires on this setup. I guarantee this thing absolutely rips. These 6.7s are absolutely incredible. I do not know if I will ever get a Ford, but if I were, this is one. You come down here, I'm gonna end up buying stuff. I gotta stay out of the shop because it is just brutal. Gosh, that thing is gorgeous now. All right, so we are just going up the steps here. I mentioned before, guys, look at the view, views on views, Stratman style, but with diesel trucks. Everything you could want, all under one roof. Absolutely epic. And then we go into the lair. I don't know why I call it a lair, but this is his office back in here. So let's open this door, see what we got behind here. The epic Seaboy style lighting. I always love coming in here. And the gosh dang Overtime Diesel. Look at this thing. There's Ovi working away. What's going on, brother? Working 7 days a week, always around the clock. Yeah. We need to be sponsored by Celsius at some point. We're both obsessed with that. It's just so darn good, I'm telling you guys. But anyways, we are gonna check out the side-by-side. Hopefully you've done some work on it, have you?
Not very much.
Not very much. At least he's open and honest. I'll give him that. But he does have some cool designs going on here. You want to show us that real quick? What you thinking here? Oh, this is for...
This is for a truck.
That's for a truck. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a flatbed.
Look at that flatbed. That is absolutely epic. That's the color scheme you want to go with?
Yes, probably.
So you're going to actually make all of that here?
Yep.
What? I didn't even know you could do all that crazy stuff. All them bends, all them cuts. Your machinery will do it all, huh?
Yep.
Well, guys, I'll tell you what. I don't know if he'll design stuff for you or not, but if you're at all interested, you can hit him up. I'll put the email link on the screen here to reach out to him personally. He does do a lot of custom cool stuff too. So again, the worst he can do is say no, but that's what he's got going on there. We'll go down there and take a look at the truck and the RZR, man. Security, we can't show them where all the cameras point, but I'll blur that out. But It's always secured, so don't try nothing crazy down here. All right, so we are back checking out the RZR. You guys remember this? It kind of looks different now. This looks different to me. It's missing like 3 of the seats. Are we going forward or backwards on this thing?
A little both.
A little of both. Hopefully, sometimes, you know what they say, sometimes you got to go backwards to go forward. So, a little reverse engineering here. Thing looks absolutely incredible still. It looks taller to me. Did you raise it at all or no?
No, I just put the roof on it though.
Just put the roof on it. So the roof,
bars are done at least.
man, that looks absolutely crazy. Look at all the bars. I'm trying to remember what it looked like in the last video. I'll have to go back and watch it, but this thing looks crazy and beefy. You think we could roll this thing and it would be fine?
Oh, I'm gonna try not to roll this one.
Yeah, try not to roll this one. You got a lot wrapped up into this booger, but absolutely incredible. If you guys didn't see it before, it is a 4-seater. It was a 2-seater. Stretched it how far again?
42.
42-inch stretch. Absolutely crazy. These awesome seats. It's gonna hold everybody and everything that you can imagine. Super crazy dash, screen, radio, everything, LED cup holders, and then you just put some custom coolers that we didn't see last time, right? Yeah. Take me around there. I want to see them boogers in action here. So this is kind of what you had. This is going to be a cooler?
That'll be, yeah, cooler under the seat. So.
Under the seat, okay. So if the seat, oh look, my man's just going to throw it up there. Okay, I got you. Made that look easy, boy. So the idea is, oh my, it's just gonna slide out automatically. Oh, you got like an actuator in there.
Air cylinders.
Air cylinders, sweet. Yeah. And then is it gonna be insulated or how's it gonna stay cold?
Yeah, it'll be insulated.
Insulated.
Do like a fiberglass liner.
Awesome, man. Are you gonna have those on both sides?
Yeah.
Dude, that's epic. So that's something new we didn't see last time. Was that compressor on there before?
Yeah. No, it wasn't, I don't think.
Nice. What's that controlling now? Just all those?
All that, and then the doors are gonna have air cylinders too to go up.
Dang. What are the doors gonna look like? Like full doors or half doors?
I think I'm gonna do just one huge door that goes.
One big door?
I got a hinge over there that's ready.
Okay, so there's the hinge, huh?
This is a new one. The last one didn't work. But
last one didn't work?
This is gonna. I think this one's gonna work.
Okay, so that one's gonna actuate. So 2 giant doors is kind of the vision for this thing.
Yep.
And then what's going on with the rear end too? You got something new going on back there?
I like this though. I like how it tucks in. And then I'm probably just gonna run 2 down to here to there.
Look, even got overtime diesel right there on the frame. Looks crazy already. This thing's gonna be wild, man. Absolutely wild. Someday we gotta show them your other one. They've probably seen it in the background of some of the other videos. We will show you guys that one at some point. We're just trying to highlight this build especially. And what I'm really excited for, and kind of like the main purpose of this video, is gonna be something different to tow this thing with, right?
Yep.
Yeah, got an idea? So something out there just kind of fell into your hands, and hence that vision we showed you on the computer. But can we go out there and take a look at that booger?
Yep.
I want to see it. All right, so we are going outside. Here's the white Denali. Again, one of my dream trucks. If you guys didn't already know, there's just something about Denali Duramaxes that get me going. But we are going to check out this project truck over here. It is outside, but it will get moved in at some point. All right, guys. Well, here she is. What is this? A 350, 450? How big is that sucker?
3500.
3500 Chevy. What year is this?
15 and later, I don't even know.
Don't even know. How did it get here then? What happened to this thing?
It was on a job site and it got struck by lightning.
It got struck by lightning? I don't know if that's good luck or not, but probably made for a heck of a deal, I'm sure.
Pretty good deal.
Yeah, but I'm sure it's kind of fried, wouldn't it be?
It is very confused electronically.
Oh God, I hate electronics. So does it need like new ECU and all that stuff or what?
I think last time I counted it needs 18 modules.
18 modules? Are you kidding me? I hope you got a dang good deal on this sucker, but it is 4 doors, dually. Look at this booger go. Cooked under the hood though, huh? Forgotten about. Yeah. She's had better days, folks. She got struck by lightning, but think about what you can do. Obviously, you got a vision for this booger and everything else. We showed it on the computer, but are you gonna keep it this white color?
Yep.
Yep, stay white. I love the white.
We'll match the other one.
And then the flatbed conversion. That sounds insane. Absolutely insane. This booger is gnarly. I don't know what the interior is like. Is it open, or maybe see what we got in there? Oh boy, look at that. Premium. Look at this sucker. Yeah, she needs a little bit of love, but really she's not bad. Fire extinguisher in case she gets struck again, but absolutely crazy. Could fit the whole crew in there. I can't imagine taking this thing with all the side-by-sides and everything on the trailer.
Yeah, so I want to do like the high country seats too.
High country seats, so even like maybe a little interior work, huh?
It needs a lot of interior work. Just a good detailer.
Yeah, good detailer, everything like that. But yeah, so high country swap. I love when people do those mods. That look crazy, man.
I don't like that radio.
No, that radio is smaller than like an iPad mini. That's what it looks like. Look at that booger. Who even puts that on there? That's embarrassing, bro.
Needs a radio up.
Yeah, needs a radio, but interior-wise looks good. The frame is straight. Obviously, it'll get cleaned up. Are you going to paint it or just...
Probably not.
Nope, just put the flatbed on it. Away she goes.
Yep.
Leaving it a dually, I'm sure.
Yep.
Yep, new tires, bigger tires.
Yeah, I'll probably do some Alcoas maybe.
Yeah, Alcoas would look epic on there, especially with that big flatbed on the back. This thing, another module that's fried, I'm sure. Everything's cooked.
They're all fried.
It's all fried.
Yeah.
It's all fried. But mechanically sound, right?
Yep.
Mechanically sound. It's got everything on it that's supposed to be on it, and away she goes. Man, I can't wait to see this thing. And that right there, folks, is one of the perils of owning your own shop. Even when you're closed, you're never closed. People just keep finding you. What the heck, man?
Yep.
Unbelievable.
Yep.
All right, so coming back inside, man, it was freezing out there. The Midwest is terrible, but thank God for this warm shop in here. Got to warm these icy hands up. Oh, boy. Need a Florida vacation about now. But anyway, so you guys did get a chance to see the side-by-side and see the truck project along with that epic bed that I'm going to keep staring at, the flatbed. We got to show them that other one. Maybe we'll do that in the next part install video. We'll give them a little something.
We'll probably put up the little clip of what happened on our last ride.
Oh, you guys stick around for that. There may or may not have been flames involved. We'll kind of leave it in that for now. All right, so as you guys can see, a lot going on down here. As always, this thing is gonna be super cool when it gets done. I know he's got all these projects going and no time to work on it, but that's why we're taking you along every step of the way on these builds, because they will get done. Got all winter, excited for the spring, so if you guys are new, please consider sticking around because we're doing fun stuff like this all the time. Like I said, a lot going on behind the scenes that you guys will see developing. It's been an absolute crazy ride. We cannot thank you guys for all your love and support enough. But anyways, I'll let you guys get back to it.